Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video we will see a recipe of dessert that is carrot halwa. So let's get started. Before checking out the recipe, subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon button to get the notification of my new recipes. So let's get started. Here I have taken half kg of carrots. I have washed it well. Now we need to cut it on the top as well as in the bottom. In the same way, let's cut the rest of the carrots. So I've finished cutting carrots. Now we need to peel the skin. If you don't have peeler, then you can peel it with the help of knife. In the same way, I'm going to peel rest of the carrots. We need to grate the carrots, so we have the grater in two different sizes, that is thick one and thin one. So I prefer using thin one. Let's grate the carrots. Be careful while grating. While grating the end part, you can just have it instead of grating because you may hurt yourself. So be careful. In the same way, let's grate the rest of the carrots. See, I've grated all the carrots. Now to a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add little cashew nuts and raisins. We need to roast them. It has roasted and let's take it out. To a same kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt. Now let's add the grated carrots. Mix everything well. Once the ghee is mixed, then you can see a slight change in the color, that it turns into the orange color. See, our carrot looks orange. Now add half tablespoon of ghee. Mix everything well. We need to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes in the medium flame without closing the lid. We need to keep on stirring it. See, you can see it has reduced half in its quantity. Now let's add milk, 100 ml. After adding milk, mix everything. We need to mix everything well. Now we need to close the lid and cook it for 20 minutes in the medium flame. But we need to keep on stirring it in the middle. Once I've opened the lid, and now let's close it again and let it cook. See, after 20 minutes, see how it looks. It has absorbed the milk. Now let's add sugar, 100 grams. After adding sugar, mix everything well. Let the sugar dissolve. We should not close the lid. Now let's add cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Mix it. See, it has started leaving the pan. Now let's add the roasted raisins and cashew nuts. We need to cook it totally for about 5 minutes. See, it has started leaving the pan, and here it's done with the recipe. You can prepare carrot halwa in different ways by using kova, condensed milk, but here I have shown it in very simple way. So if you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.